Guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, in this video I will show you how to do effective squatting. The squatting that will affect your legs, not that you will do squatting and it will not work for you. So this video I will show you how you can do an effective squatting. To keep your hands like this, okay, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You chain. Keep your hands like this. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You see, this is how you do your effective squatting at home without going to the gym. For the beginners, make sure you do like, share this video so that others can see it. This is an effective squatting that can help your labs, that can help you build your labs, that can pump your body. Remember, exercise is health. Please subscribe.